Energy is so intense right now, and many people are experiencing a wide variety of symptoms. And by all means, I'm going to be naming a few that I've been dealing with, and I also want to get into an energy update because things are definitely getting crazy right now. And by all means, of course, there's a lot of activity and a lot of things we need to get into because a lot of people aren't talking about it. So, by all means, of course, welcome on everyone. Joe Sky here, back at it again with the Schumann report. Here's the Schumann Resonance. Yesterday we had a power almost 60, and we be getting bombarded with energy and around hour 15 to around hour 1, as you can see, a weird pattern, you know? And as of now, the 29, things are definitely, we're starting to see some integration again. We're starting to see some activity kick in. So, things are moderate right now, and I'll keep you updated. For the Italian Schumann Resonance, I'm not gonna lie, hasn't really changed. We're gonna go straight to the source and see what there is. And yes, things as of now are quiet, but overall, there's been so much energy that has been pouring in, so it's getting pretty crazy right now. Um, let's shift over here. Well, now we got even more things. Um, the strength of the interplanetary magnetic field is moderate right now, and the maximum C X-ray flux of the past 2 hours is a C6.57. But as I was talking about in the live stream, pay attention to this. For the last 3 days, there has been so many crazy things. We got hit with a 6.45 M class solar flare. And I did my research just to see if it was legit because how come I didn't see it on some other charts, right? And the thing is that it looked like the data with the 6.4, it looked like things just kicked off. You know what I'm saying? Like it looked like it just got away. So very, very interesting. As of now, we did get hit with a 3.6. Interesting. Okay, that was really recent. Crazy. Yeah, I didn't even notice that during the live stream. Which we do, by the way. But just look at the amount of activity right now in just a few days, right? I mean, since September almost 27, right now it's September 29, by the way, very early hours, September 29. And just by right before 27 came, we got hit with one M class, and two, three, four, five, six, seven M class solar flares in 48 hours. That's crazy. That's like four a day on average. And we got hit with some really strong C class. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. That's crazy. Nine strong C class. Again, C isn't really strong. It's something, but with how look how close they are to an M class. So this is like insane right now. I mean, it's truly unbelievable. So we're getting bombarded right now with very intense energy. When we look at the sun, look at the sun. I have never seen. Look at the left of it. Look at all that activity, and look at over here, two massive coronal holes that look like they're going to come together. This is crazy activity right now. Um, and this is looking weird. I mean, you might look like spider legs. I mean, it looks like, oh, I don't know what the heck I'm looking at. This is crazy right now. The sun right now, as of September 29, is looking insane. So, a couple big coronal holes, a lot of sunspots. Activity is going bananas right now. So, things are really kicking up. There has been so much activity going on right now. So, symptoms. Well, you might have like a lot of head pressure, headaches, you might feel sick, no appetite, massive loud ear ringing or different noises in your ears. Like I was having some really whack frequency noises, but maybe that was just a party. Um, my ears were like, I'm like, what in the flip is that? So I don't even know what was going on. You might just feel sick, off, tired, knocked out, completely just done for, not wanting to wake up. You might have insane like heart stuff, bro. Like I don't know, it's crazy right now. You might feel like you're dying. It's pretty crazy. This is insane. I don't think we've been this. I don't think anyone has been hit this hard in a long time. So this is insane. People are really getting beat up right now with the energies, and things are going crazy. So let me know, like, really, how's everybody doing? What's everyone feeling? You know, we could get more M class solar flares. Um, it's crazy, yeah. Anything could happen. Even an X class could definitely happen. It looks like it's gonna be coming. Things are insane right now. I mean, we had a radio blackout. There's 911 outages. Um, they want to start seeding clouds. I talked about this in the live stream. Um, through iAtlas. I mean, this thing, boy oh boy, news after news. By the way, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. That's pretty much all for this video. I did a 50-minute live stream. We're having a little bit of fun. Um, wow, unbelievable, unbelievable. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. So much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you next time.